Do you have an offer that your customers actually want? This is a really important one for marketing any type of service, but particularly financial services. Is your offering something that actually matters to people? Is it something simple to understand? Let me give you an example. When I'm working with my small business customers, a lot of time we wanted to focus on their offer. And they'll say stuff like, oh, I offer financial coaching, which is wonderful because you do. You offer financial coaching. But what does that really mean to me as a customer? Does that mean that you're going to help me get my taxes in order? Does that mean that you're going to help me save money on my taxes? Does that mean you're going to help me with my profit and loss statement? Does that mean you're going to help me with my bookkeeping? Oh, this is too much work and I'm just done. If your offer is something that's just kind of your services, that's not exactly an offer. That's just explaining what you do in very simple terms. But imagine that you had a juicy offer like an 8-week business budget boot camp, right? That sounds so much more exciting. I know that exactly 8 weeks, you're going to help me get my business budget back up and rocking and just doing exactly what I want to do. So when next time someone asks you, what do you do? What do you offer? Yeah, you can say that I offer financial coaching, but you can also say, I offer an 8-week business budget boot camp. You can see how much more enticing one is. So my little wisdom for today is to really think about your offer. What are you offering? And don't think of it in just terms of the service that you provide. How can you make that service sexy? How can you make that service juicy? How can you make that service clear about what you do and who you do it for by putting your services into a nice offer? These offers will attract more ideal customers. It will make it easier for customers to understand what you do. It will get them into your sales funnel, get them over to your website. It will get them on discovery calls with you because you've broken down some barriers to entry by making it super, super clear what you offer and how it's going to benefit their life. So your little secret and marketing tip for this week is to make sure that you put your services into offers so that people can easily purchase them. They can shop your offer listing and it makes it really, really easy for them to take the next step with you. So let's work together on how to create some beautiful offers, not just a services menu. And if you need any help, shoot me a DM. We can book a call. I'm always happy to talk to you and help you in any way. But if you can just think about your services in a way to really talk about them as offers, I promise you more people will be interested and excited about what you do because you've created an offer that really helps them survive or thrive, which is so much better than just putting out your services. Have a good day.